If you've ever needed to erase text, images, or even entire pages from a PDF, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clean up and edit your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat, whether you want to temporarily hide something for review or permanently remove sensitive material. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about erasing text and images using Acrobat's Edit PDF tool. Go ahead and open your PDF in Acrobat. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a bunch of tools. Look for Edit PDF. Click it to activate editing mode. This is your gateway for making changes directly on the document. Almost like working in a word processor. If you want to delete text, it's really straightforward. Just click on the block of text or the specific words you want to get rid of. You'll see a blue outline pop up around the selection. This lets you know Acrobat recognizes what you're about to modify. Now, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. The selected text disappears, giving you a cleaner look. This is super handy for removing outdated info or correcting mistakes. Don't forget that you can use undo if you change your mind or accidentally remove something you didn't mean to. When it comes to images, things work a bit differently, but it's just as simple. Sometimes you can select and delete an image like text, but other times Acrobat might not let you directly erase it. In those cases, you can cover the image. Click on the Draw tool in the Edit options. Look for a little pencil or highlighter icon. Choose a white color so the drawing matches your PDF's background. Click and drag over the image you want to hide. It's kind of like laying a piece of paper over something you don't want people to see. It won't completely erase the image from the file, but it does hide it from view, which is often useful for quick fixes or drafts. Now, what if you need to permanently remove something, say confidential text or images that just shouldn't be in the file anymore? This is where Acrobat's Redact tool comes in. To begin, open your PDF again and go to Tools Redact. Acrobat will prompt you to select what you want gone for good. Use your mouse to highlight the text or images. You'll see Acrobat uses a solid black box to cover redacted content. That's your visual cue that it's about to be removed from the actual file data, not just hidden. Click Apply, and then make sure to save your document. Quick tip, redacting is irreversible once saved, so always save a backup copy of your original file before you start redacting. That way, if you ever need something from the original, you're covered. Finally, sometimes you just want to remove entire pages. A couple of blank pages or an extra cover sheet maybe. For this, head up to Tools, Organize Pages. Acrobat lays out the thumbnails of each page, making it really easy to find what you want to discard. Click to select the page or pages you want to delete. A highlight will show your selection. Now, look for the little trash can icon and give it a click. Acrobat may ask you to confirm, hit OK, and the page is gone. Don't forget to save your updated PDF so your changes stay put. These are the main ways to erase content in Adobe Acrobat, whether you need quick edits or serious document cleanup. Take your time with each tool, and if anything feels tricky, just remember every change can be previewed before you save. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit that like button. Drop any questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next video.